Can you believe there are already over 15 billion connected devices out there? And that number is set to double by 2027. So how does network location become a game changer for manufacturers? I'll give you 3 examples. First, we have connected vehicles. Picture this. With network location, we can prevent accidents by ensuring complete coverage of every one of the move, whether it's pedestrian, scooters, or cars. Second, connected factories. Network location brings seamless indoor-outdoor continuity of SIM card location. It's extremely valuable when you think about tracking aircraft parts that are manufactured in one country and assembled in another. And third example, connected drones. Drones are soaring high in the sky, but they must stay within authorized air corridors, right? That's where network locations comes into play. You can count on neutral, independent, and trusted network location data to verify that those drones are right where they're supposed to be. And here's the best part. When manufacturers partner with mobile operators, they tap into the power of 5G network without adding any extra geolocation beacons or incurring additional infrastructure costs. Plus, they benefit from the most reliable, constant, and accurate location information available.